Hey tubes, this is a lawnmower I received from my neighbor. He's getting a new lawnmower. This one is like 20 years old, I think. He said it served him well. I've kept it going for him for, long past when it was supposed to die. So this is a Murray 6.25 Quantum. It had one of the wheels wouldn't maintain its level, so I took the wheel off. I think it was took the whole axle off, and I think it was this one. Took the whole wheel assembly off, bent this a lot so it fits into the groove for to hold the wheel in place and put it back on. All the wheels on this side I've given him from either from a scrap mower of mine that I had that fit because his wheels are shot. So it does have a bag. I am going to go ahead and wash it, change the oil, and maybe look at the carburetor, and then this will be I'll get rid of this next year. I'm here draining the oil, just tipping it over, and I know there's a drain plug here, and I'll probably go through that too, because you look at how much oil is in there. That's only a few ounces, so that's not good. One thing I did find else is that I know the blade had been replaced. This is a universal. But I think he can't fault him. It worked. So he had the wrong washers. He didn't have the Murray ones on. But that's okay. I may have a Murray blade, or I think this is a 20-inch blade, and this is a 22-inch deck. So let me see about getting a 22-inch blade on here. Well, this mower ran, one of the wheels wouldn't turn on the self-propelled. After further examination, this pinion gear goes into here. There's supposed to be a pin in there that goes in here that turns it, and then there's a snap ring that holds this inside. Like, you take this, stick it on that. That's in there, and that holds the pinion, this gear in. Well, it's missing, and that's why this wheel wouldn't turn, and that one would. So, what I've done is I took a screw that's approximate with whatever it'll fit in the gear, and then took my angle grinder to it and kind of shaved off the head of the screw. I'm just going to stick it in there and use this as the pin. So here I've put the pin in. It fits in there pretty nice. And then I take the gear. It fits perfectly. I made that. Now I'm going to put the snap ring in. I'll do that off camera to hold the gear in place, and then put the wheels back. See if that wheel works now when I turn the self-propelled on. So this one's a priming. And I'll start priming it. Let's see. So it looks like it works, but it also looks like the self-propelled permanently engaged. Well, whatever.